at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
What's up, guys? In today's vid, I'm on the Ultra. So much fun. I got some nice clips on the way over here for you guys. Let me know if the audios I chose are good, because now I can put ads so I can get monetized, but I can't use copyrighted songs anymore. So I'm working on that, trying to find good audios. But I might have also got a VTV, so stay tuned for the next vid. It's gonna be crazy. But now I could pop up with one hand and then go into a no-hander. But with the VTV, it's gonna be so much better. With the VTV, it's gonna be so much better and easier because I could tune it to like a little more power than drive, to the point where I could just one-hand pop everywhere. And then in sport, I could one-hand pop at like 40. It's weird because I could throttle side one hand everywhere, but it's hard to no-hand. I could throttle side no-hand on foot brake. Alright, I'm gonna keep you guys into another little time lapse. Alright guys, I'm back. I got a few good no-hands in. Like, I was able to go like, the goal was, I went like this. Got those in, but then I got like 2 of those and I couldn't do it again. It's so weird. Like, should be so easy. Switch the camera angle. So weird. Bro, my brake is clapped. I'm just kidding. Piss. Caliper was pushed in. Mint. You guys think I should go back to full black? Because black with the VTV would be clean. But it'll be cleaner than my last black. I don't know. Should I keep the chrome? Let me know, guys. And I'm probably gonna get all the little chrome accents on the bike I'm gonna get black. Like, I already got the black pegs. I'm gonna get a ton of black prickly parts and stuff. Gonna be green. Like this side, it's all black. So I'm gonna do that with this side. A black Astroworks footlock and stuff. Just camera angles. Look what else I learned. Let me see if I can do it. Oh! This bike is so much fun. Bro, the VTB is gonna be insane. Hopefully I could tune it to the point where it can go like 80 with torque to pop, one hand pop at like 40. Bro, that would be crazy. Bro, I can't wait. So I have it already right now. So I already have it, but now I'm waiting for the harness to get here. Bro, it says like 8 days from now. I paid for 2-day shipping. But it looks so good, the display. I don't know if I'm gonna put the throttle on because look it. This one's pretty snappy because it comes with the throttle. It comes with the throttle, new display, regen throttle, and the little buttons. Bro, I can't wait to install it. It's gonna be crazy. So the harness should be here by the 18th. So theoretically by next week's video I should have it in. Hopefully. But the day I get the harness, I'm gonna put it in. I was gonna get a Torp, but the Torp, it was sold out everywhere and didn't look like it was gonna restock. So I just got the VTB. But just as good. Just a Torp. The Torp had traction control. I wanted that because I had supermotos, but it's whatever. Or maybe I could tune the VTB with traction control, hopefully. Alright, I'm gonna try a one-hand, or no, foot brake knee knock. Switch the camera angle. So, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Peace out.
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted racks, always want the cheddar. You could